Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'll give you another brilliant trailer review. So sequel to the first film which came out in 2019, stars my another favorite actor in Bollywood, Akshay Kumar, and this is the sequel for Kesari. So Kesari 2 Chapter 2, the trailer review. So which stars Akshay Kumar. So let's start. So Kesari Chapter 2 trailer. Akshay Kumar and R. Madhavan. This time R. Madhavan is in this film, new character. Lock Holmes in an untold story about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Akshay Kumar along with Ananya Pandey. So Ananya Pandey will be a new cast in this film as well. Released the trailer of Kesari Chapter 2 on Thursday in Delhi. So Kesari Chapter 2 trailer, Akshay Kumar is set to revisit a moment in Indian history with the upcoming release of Kesari Chapter 2. The trailer of the historical drama, also featuring Ananya Pandey and R. Madhavan, was released on Thursday. The trailer offers a glimpse into a gripping courtroom showdown, revisiting the pain and trauma attacked through a tragic historical event. The trailer of the film was released in the presence of the team in Delhi. In the courtroom drama, Akshay Kumar embodies the role of C. Sankaran Nair. So Akshay Kumar plays this role C. Sankaran Nair as a lawyer. From the clip, from the clip showed that the film will dive into the unexplored chapter of history, shedding light on Nair's determination as he challenges the British Empire in a legal battle that um, the trailer commences with moments of how the massacre unfolded and the ripple effect in India. The trailer also shows Akshay getting embroiled in a legal battle with Madhavan, who is seen as the lawyer Neville McKinley, pending the crown. The trailer also introduces Ananya, who is studying law in the UK. The trailer weaves together the threats of pain, hurt, and yielding resolve to fight for justice and righteousness. Yeah, it's very tragic what happened to Jallianwala Bagh. Lives were innocent people's lives were killed. It's heartbreaking to like these kind of scenes. About Kesari franchise, Kesari Chapter 2 is the sequel to the first film which released in 2019. It followed the events leading to the Battle of Siragati. It was a battle between 21 Sikh soldiers of the 36th Sikh Regiment of the British Indian Army and 10,000 Afriki and Orakzai Pashtun tribesmen in 1897. Periniti Chopra played a pivotal role to the first chapter. Kesari Chapter 2 will release in theaters on April 18, 2025. This month actually. So it's another big film in Akshay Kumar's career. The sequel of Kesari. First part was emotional as well. These 21 Sikhs fighted. Yeah. So let me explain. So about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So this is gonna be about Jallianwala Bagh what happened in history. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on April 14, 1990. A large crowd had gathered at the Jallianwala Bagh in Punjab's Amritsar to protest against the Rowlatt Act and the arrest of the pro-Indian activists Saifuddin Kichlu, if I pronounced it correctly, and Satyapal. In response to the public gathering, General R.E.H. Dyer surrounding the people with the Gurkha and Sikh infantry regiments. He then ordered them to shoot at the crowd, which continued till the enumeration was low, and then they were ordered to stop. Thousands of people were killed and injured. It's hard to see this kind of scenes, guys. This is going to be another history emotional film because Akshay Kumar will be fighting this British people. What they did what they did to this Jallianwala Bagh in Punjab in India, in Amritsar, and Akshay Kumar will be fighting the law, and Akshay Kumar will fight justice and get what he deserves, and this Akshay Kumar will bounce back with a bang, and he has did with Skyfall. Skyfall was a good film. Whatever happened at the box office with Skyfall was a good return for Akshay Kumar, and this time he will deliver with a bang with this performance. Akshay Kumar is going to be a roaring return once again versus R. Madhavan's character, and Ananya Pandey is looking different as well with her hair look, and she's looking well fitted in the character. And the trailer film is looking very promising, like the first part. What happened to the 21 Sikh to 1,000 soldiers put their life at risk, and they got shot down, which was another hard film to watch. It was very emotional. The first movie, Kesari, was a successful film at the box office. Akshay Kumar's best film in 2019 era. He had a good success of films in the year 2019. So he will bounce back with this film. He will bounce back at the film with Kesari too. So it's looking very promising. And he will fight about these British rulers and all that, how they treated his people. And yeah, it's heartbreaking to watch. It's heartbreaking. Millions of these lives were lost in Jallianwala Bagh. It's real history, man. It's real history. And this film will click. मेरा मानना ये पिक्चर क्लिक होएगी, ये बिल्कुल फिल्म चलने वाली है द बॉक्स ऑफिस. I mean to say, I'm sorry to say in English. I do speak my language because I watch movies. So yeah, even I know this happened in reality. So it's heartbreaking to watch this kind of scenes. When Akshay Kumar will come into courtroom, and he will fight the justice and win. In my opinion, I think he will win the court case against these British rulers, and he will fight for justice for this Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Innocent lives were taken. Yeah, people got injured, and most of the people got killed, shot. Yeah, it's heartbreaking to see this kind of scenes. It's reality and this is history. And Akshay Kumar will definitely fight this case and definitely win justice for the people in Punjab. A proud moment for he will be a proud moment in this film. Akshay Paji will storm and win the justice. definitely deliver at the box office. So Akshay Kumar can give another successful film, in my opinion. It was Armada One. So there you go. That's my opinion. I liked it, and Bill's story is given the goosebumps of this film, the trailer. So it's looking very ready for the film. Akshay Kumar's ready, and the film's looking very promising. So I'll give the trailer a brilliant 4 out of 5 because it has that pain, has that this your eyes will moist, you will cry because of this incident happened in the 1919 Amritsar Punjab in India. गाइस इस देखना मुश्किल है ये दर्द भरी कहानी, लेकिन अक्षय पाल जी डिलीवर करेंगे, जस्टिस भी पाएंगे, और ये युद्ध हमेशा ये जीतेगा अक्षय कुमार। अक्षय कुमार ये युद्ध जीतेगा ये फिल्म में, मुझे ये लगता है। एंड दिस फिल्म इज ही विल विन द वॉर, fight against this British people, and what happened tragic, and Akshay Kumar will fight for them and win justice. This, I think this story will unfold like this, and he will win the case as well. He will get served justice, what he will deserve. So yes, so this film is looking very promising and is looking very boiling hot. Picture garam ho rahi hai, so this film will definitely click for Akshay Kumar, Akshay Baji's character. Yeah, what happened in the first part? So he will fighting in the court. So yeah, first part was brilliant. It was emotional as well. 521 Sikhs sacrificed their lives, and there's 1,000 soldiers as well. And plus that brilliant song तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जामा मैं खिल जामा बस इतनी से मेरी आरज़ू. Such an emotional track by B Parag. He gives brilliant song in Bollywood. Plus he sings in Punjabi as well. I listen to his songs. This banda sings very well. It touches your heart. This B Parag. Brilliant. So first part was a successful film at the box office. So I hope and the sequel does good business and will succeed. I think this film will click at the box office, and there's some history telling, and this journey what happened in Jallianwala Bagh. Sachi kahani, sachi story, and sachi history for Indians out there. And Akshay Paji will bounce back. He has bounced back with Skyforce actually, so he will deliver another power-packed justice performance, and he will definitely win against Armada One. And yeah, this film will do better business, in my opinion. So I give the trailer Kesari. Excuse me. Kesari Chapter 2, 4 out of 5 stars. So because Akshay Kumar is looking ready for this Kesari Chapter 2. He'll be fighting his justice in the courtroom. So एकदम धमाका लग रहा है अक्षय पाजी, and he will deliver. I have faith on Akshay Kumar. Yeah, Akshay Kumar, another career is not doing well, and I want every actor to succeed. Another favorite of mine, actors, Akshay Kumar. I want every actor to succeed. I have all support and love to all the actors. I don't say that ये बुरा हो गया, इसकी कहानी ख़त्म होगी. कहानी कब किसी की नहीं ख़त्म होती है. जिस किस्मत कभी कभी किस्मत नहीं साथ देती तो बंदा कोशिश करती रहनी चाहिए. बंदे को कोशिश करता रहना चाहिए आखिरी सांस तक. कीप फाइटिंग टिल द लास्ट. नरिंदर गुप्ता, गुड लक टू यू. बट सलमान खान, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ सलमान खान कभी टका नहीं. अभी भी बाजुओं में ताकत है. ये बंदा हमेशा जीतेगा, ऑलवेज जीतेगा, एंड ही विल बी अ विनर इन माई बुक्स. Akshay Kumar as well for me, and plus Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. I have love for each actor. So spread love, guys. That's the Narendra Gupta's thinking, and everyone has different thinking. I have not given hope of any of these actors, and still they have that fight. And I want to give you the dialogue for Tiger for Salman Bhai. जब तक टाइगर मरा नहीं, जब तक टाइगर हरा नहीं, तब तक टाइगर जिंदा है. ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ. तब तक टाइगर मरा नहीं, जब तक टाइगर हरा नहीं, तब तक टाइगर जिंदा है. Salman Khan's dialogue in Tiger Free. So I have huge faith that I hope Sikandar managed to get 100 crore and even more to succeed, because I want this guy to succeed in life because he is brilliant, good of heart of persons. Like Akshay Kumar, I love all of these actors, even Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan. Amitabh Bachchan is a legend, so I love this cara. So spread love, guys. So I will keep supporting them. Whatever people say, ये बुरा हो गया, ये ख़त्म हो गया, इसकी स्टारडम ख़त्म हो गया, आई डोंट थिंक सो. इसका स्टारडम था, है, हमेशा आबाद रहेगा. सलमान भाई हमेशा ये ज़िंदा रहेगा टाइगर, एंड हमेशा ये कोशिश करता रहेगा पिक्चर अच्छी बनाने के लिए. आई हैव ऑल द लव एंड सपोर्ट to my favorite stars in Bollywood. What people think, whatever the people want to give negative, that's their choice, that's their thinking. My thinking is they will win, and they will keep winning, and they will keep fighting, and they will keep fighting. Like I said, they will keep going. कोई फर्क, गंदा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. भाईजान, I have support to you and to Akshay Kumar and Shah Rukh Khan and Sunny Deol as well, another favorite. So like I said, I support each and every actor of these. And like I said, अभी भी पावर है उसमें, सलमान भाई में अभी भी पावर है. सनी पाजी के लिए अभी भी अक्षय कुमार का भी हैगा पावर. So there you go, that's my opinion. I have full support on each and every person. Spread love, don't spread hate, spread love. You spread love, people will love you. So spread love. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि भाईजान थक गया, तो ये तुम्हारी थिंकिंग है. मेरी थिंकिंग है ये कभी थकेगा नहीं, ना कभी हारेगा. ये चट्टान के बड़ा मैदान में आएगा और सबकी वाट लगाएगा ये बंदा. ये इसलिए ये इसका स्टारडम बड़ा है. सो आई वांट एवरी ईच एक्टर I support, I love, and I will keep supporting them, keep watching them. And life is a struggle, and life is very difficult. कभी ज़िंदगी में हार भी लिखा होता है, तो कभी कभी जीत भी मिलती है. सबको अच्छा मिलता है, सबको नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन उसको हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. योद्धा की तरह फाइट करना चाहिए आखिरी सांस तक. Keep fighting till the last breath. So that's my thinking. I spread the love and I spread the support on each actor, and they are here still in the Bollywood industry, which is a huge thing. In their age, still looking amazing, and still they're looking fantastic. So that's my honest reaction. So Manoj Desai, lots of love to you. I support Salman, I support you, I watch you as well. And Sin Cinema, brilliant as well. So like I said, I like all the supporters who I watch. So किसी को गलत नहीं बोलना चाहिए, अच्छा बोलना चाहिए. किसी को गलत नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Never say wrong to a person. किसी से गलत नहीं करना चाहिए. कभी ये ना समझो ये बंदा हार गया, ये ऐसा हो गया, ये वो हो गया. ये कभी नहीं हारा, ये आगे भी जाएगा. इसका स्टारडम हमेशा जिंदा था, जिंदा है, हमेशा जिंदा रहेगा. लाइक सनी पाजी's डायलॉग इन गदर में कहता है, जिंदाबाद था हिंदुस्तान, जिंदाबाद है, हमेशा जिंदाबाद रहेगा. एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट एवरी कंट्री. Look, don't get me wrong, I respect every country, respect every religion, respect every person. Wherever you brought up in the world, come in the world, respect every person. If you don't like the person, you can walk away. Simple as that. I will keep supporting every star who I love. Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Akshay Kumar, इवन टाइगर श्रॉफ एज वेल, उसका भी साथ बनना चाहिए, वो भी उसके में है टैलेंट, उसकी बस अच्छी फिल्म करे, बागी फॉर ब्लॉकबस्टर होए. लेट्स होप फॉर एंड द बेस्ट फॉर हिम, for every each actor. I mean Sanju Baba as well. So I have all the love and support on each actor. So yeah, never think say wrong and never say wrong. ये मेरा मानना है. अच्छा सोचोगे तो अच्छा होएगा, किसी का बुरा ना सोचो. हम तो एक इंसान ही है, सिंपल इंसान है. इसका भाई का stardom will always remain more, and he will always be remain as a superstar. No one can take that from him. So I will keep supporting my every actor. He's not Buddha, he's young. अभी ताकत इसमें है बंदे में. Same like Akshay Kumar and Sunny Parji. That's what they in industry. Yeah. Yes, everyone sometimes wins and sometimes we lose. So this is part of life. So this is a fact in life. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. कभी हारना पड़ता है, फिर कभी जीतना पड़ता है. उससे फिर बंदे से ताकत मिलती है, स्ट्रॉन्गनेस मिलती है. सो दे नो आगे युद्ध इतना आसान नहीं है जीतने का. सो कीप फाइटिंग एंड दे विल कीप रूलिंग in the Hindi cinema for me, and I spread all the love and support to all the stars, each and every actor, even the newcomers. Keep trying, keep trying. Even the actresses keep trying. They will get something in life. That's why I want the best for each actor. So yeah, the Kesari chapter 2, 4 out of 5. So video's gone too long now, so I'm gonna end. And I will see you in the next one. So 4 out of 5 for Kesari chapter 4. And I love Akshay Kumar as well. So yeah, this one will also be another good storytelling film. And be a successful film, guys, at the box office. So Akshay Kumar is improving for me. And he will keep trying his level best. Akshay Kumar as well. I love Akshay Kumar. So I will keep supporting him as well. And Salman Bhai and many others, and Shah Rukh Bhai, Shah Rukh Khan as well. So there you go. I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.